Family vlog.
Come on, mate. See what it's like up there. Looks pretty windy. Can't even open the door. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, everything's blowing everywhere. What do you think?
Windy.
It's windy. Let you don't blow away. Shut down, mate.
You can't.
Shut down. Yes. Look at the blinds, look. The window is closed. Look at that, mate. I think I need new windows. Look guys, welcome back to the vlog, right? It's almost 60-mile-an-hour winds. Let's go and have a look what it's like out here. Look at this. Look, watch the car. Look at the car. Look, look, look. Right, see, look, it's shaking. The car is shaking, mate. Oh my days. Watch now, watch. Wait! No way to lie. The car, look at that. It is shaking. This is scary. Look at my neighbour's area. Oh my god, I can't even keep the camera straight. And I'm in the car. Crikey, mate. Look. It's like it's an earthquake. No word of a lie. I'm not shaking the phone. Well, I'm not trying to shake the phone. That's bad. Oh, mate. Let's go out in the car and see if we can spot some damage. Or see if it's caused any damage. Signs down. Look at the atmosphere. It's literally turning with the wind. It's moving. It's like rocking back and forth as well. Oh, my days. Look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. Look at it. Look at it shaking. That is madness. Look. Proper going, mate. Oh my days. Look at the ghost train roof. I reckon I'll be going, do you know what? There's like sand blowing in my eyes. We're on the fair. Look at the atmosphere. It's spinning round, mate. You'd think it was on. There's nobody here. That's mad. Dangerous, couldn't it? So windy. Don't expect this like, I don't know, 65 kilometers an hour. It's going to be later. It's going to get worse than this. No word of a lie, right? I got grit in my teeth. It's like, look at them going. Oh, what? They've taken the covers off the top view. I reckon they should have taken a few more off. That's mad. I wouldn't want to be on there right now. The trees at Rumba, look at them. They're bending, mate. My word. Look at these people here. Look at them. They've can barely stand up. Absolutely crazy. Another sign blown over. Look at these people. Oh, this is the worst I've ever known it. Look at these people walking their dog. Honestly, should we go out in there? Should we see what it's like out there? I'm actually scared to open the door on the car. I was going to walk down, I thought, nah. No thanks, mate. Oh my days. Thankfully the wind's the opposite way. Look at the seagull. He's even scared to fly off. Look at him, he's shaking. Look, he's running. He's scared to fly. I haven't even got a jumper on. Jeez. What the heck? Look at the sun. I'm stood behind this thing. I don't even know what it is. And look at the sea out there. That's pretty choppy. Oh my days. Jeez, man. It's frightening. The word of it, like when you're trying to walk, it's blowing your legs from under you. Look at this. Look at the damage here. Look at that. It's all blown over. I can still see a spin in there. Well, that's a tasty motor, isn't it? I like that. It's like the Batmobile. Yes, mate. Very snazzy. That's nasty. I got sand in my eyes, I got sand in my mouth. Why do I do these things? Guys, thanks for joining me. Don't get lost and squashed. And we'll speak more soon. The car is shaking, man. Oh my days, get me home. There's even sand in my ears. Oh man.